Hello, hello, beautiful people! So this is my ordinary life and I'm inviting you to enjoy it with me. Lalayas ako for today's video. Wala lang. Ayan, dinodocument ko lang yung milestone ng aking buhay. So, that's all muna. That's all muna for today, guys. Join me again on my next video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours. Love, love, love. Bye. God bless everyone.